The products A and B in the following reactions respectively are. What is the reactant? PHCH double bond CH2. Let us take that. PHCH double bond CH2. This compound is now treated with, first we treated with bromine in CCl4. Bromine and CCl4. So what will you get? Halogenation takes place. PH, CHBr, CH2Br. Now this compound is treated with sodium in liquid ammonia. Sodium in liquid ammonia means strong base NaNH2. Elimination takes place. It loses 2 molecules of HBr. So what will I get? PH, C, triple bond, CH. This compound is now treated with HgSO4 and H2SO4. When it is treated with HgSO4 and H2SO4, alkynes undergo hydrolysis. Addition of water takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. pH, C, OH, double bond, CH2. This is enol. Enol undergoes tautomerization to form ketone. So PHC double bond O CH3. This should be your final compound B. Final compound B should be a ketone. Now let us check in the given options where ketone is given as option B. So in the first option, B is given as alcohol, ruled out. Third option, B is aldehyde, ruled out. Second option, B is ketone, correct. Again, this is also wrong. So B is ketone, but A they have given as sodium salt. So A what we got? PHC triple bond CH. Alkyne you got. But alkyne hydrogen bonded to carbon-carbon triple bond is acidic in nature. So if sodium is there in the reaction mixture, it exists as PHC triple bond C Na. So this is option A. And this is option B. So your answer is